What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. So today, ito na yung pang fourth day natin sa Vlogmas. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Paul Bonin Vargas of ZEBIANMNL. Don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, tapos comment ka below kung ano pa yung gusto mong mapanood sa mga future videos natin. And syempre, click the notification bell para pag may bagong video tayo, makakapanood ka agad. Okay? So, for today's video, bale, it's actually parang sort of a challenge. Kasi naalala ko way before, nung nag-start pa lang ako sa leather crafting, yung parang isa sa mga tanong sa amin nung nagturo sa amin is, ano yung pinaka-possible na pinakamalaking project na pwede mong magawa? And ano yung pinaka-smallest? Actually, yung biro ko nun dati is sofa. Yung pinakamalaki kong kayang gawin. Which is, di ko alam kung paano i-execute. Pero, yung pinakamaliit na sabi ko nun is coin purse. Kasi syempre, since coins lang naman, maliit lang talaga yung coins. Pero sabi nila, ang coin is actually usually rounded na plate or ganito. So, as long as meron siyang monetary value. So, this one, if you can take a close look here, I don't know if it's focusing kasi cellphone lang gamit natin. This is the 5 centavos coin dito sa atin sa Philippines, dito sa Pilipinas. 5 sentimo. Actually, before, baka malata edad ko, merong 1 centimo or 1 centavos. Pero mas malaki yung size niya kaysa dito. So, I think ito yung pinaka-possible na pwede natin gamitin na pwede natin gawing coin purse. So, since it's a coin, and syempre, purse na lang kailangan natin. So, if you have seen the thumbnail, yun yung ano natin is how to make the, parang challenge, how to make the smallest coin purse in the world. Bago tayo mag-start pala, check out our ZEBIANMNL shoutouts. Alright, so what we need for our smallest coin purse challenge in the world is, syempre yung coin natin, 5 centavos. Ito na yung smallest in shape, tapos smallest in monetary value na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas na at present. Okay? So what we have here is a 3 by 3 centimeter leather and a 6 by 3 centimeters leather. So kanina, parang pinatong ko siya para makuha ko kung saan natin ilalagay yung snaps na pangsara. Kasi syempre, pag coin purse, kailangan hindi nalalaglag ang coin. Okay? What we'll be doing is, ilalagay ko na yung tape dito, yung double-sided tape, and ipapatong ko siya dito. And after that, ikakat natin yung sides using the coin natin para mai-corner out natin yung sa edges niya and dito sa taas. But before that, ilagay muna natin yung snaps natin. Alright? Alright, so we're finally done with our coin purse challenge. So again, here's our 5 centavos coin and here's our world's smallest coin purse. Alright, so syempre, pasok natin yung coin. Alright, so it's here. And we're done. Okay, so ba't ko ginawa yung challenge na to? It's more of practice of patience. Kasi syempre yung ganitong kaliit na item, mahirap talaga siyang gawin or i-execute kasi you have to check yung sa dimensions niya, yung sa lines, and syempre yung sa pagkatahi. Kasi syempre dapat malinis pa din yung pagkagawa mo ng especially ng tahi. Alright? So here. So if you have challenges for me, please do comment it below. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And syempre, click the notification bell button na din. So if you want to see more of our videos, don't forget to check here on this side. And syempre, yung subscribe button natin is on this side. So again, thank you for checking out our Vlogmas number 4 and Diyos mabalos.